Right, well, anyway, welcome to O'Hara on a lovely sunny day. My name's Russell. This is our family business based here at O'Hara on the coast. I've been turning up here each day for about 40 years now, and we just service our local farming community. It's what we do. Last century, probably. I've been personally involved for 40 years. We've gone through a transition from predominantly sheep and beef farming here to just about mainly dairying in our area now. We were involved in the conversion of a lot of farms with the supply of ready-mix concrete, loading, those sort of things.
So what is the main thing you're transporting?
That we transport now.
Yeah.
Stock feed and fertiliser for the farming industry.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Livestock. We do the bobby calves. We cart stock to the freezing works and so forth. And
Yep.
yeah, just more or less anything that a farmer needs, we will do or can do. We've got an auger here. We auger meal into the silos. We run Canterbury daily, bringing stuff into the west coast for them, and yeah, it's just a typical little rural transport operation.